me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Hi, my name is Ken Brayer, the Vice President of the NyTrex Division of Design Engineering, and what we have here is another proprietary product introduced by NyTrex for the plate industry, the plate nitrous industry. As we all know, that's a very popular segment of the nitrous category, and we have revolutionized the plate industry with the money shot system here, which I'm going to demonstrate. On a typical plate system, you have a single spray bar, and you can have anywhere from 12 to some plate systems have as many as 60 holes or 64 holes for there. We have a plate system that incorporates for each set of spray bars 96 holes. So on this crossbar plate system here, you're looking at 192 holes. So this system can deliver up to 700 horsepower. Now on a typical plate system that has a crossbar configuration, you're going to need two sets of valves. So in this money shot system, we have a totally revolutionary valve design that has one inlet and two outlets, and it has a orifice size of 180 thousandths that will accommodate 700 horsepower. Now what's truly unique about this valve is, aside from how well it functions, is that it only draws a 3 amp draw, and whereas a typical solenoid valve will draw anywhere from 10 to 20 amps depending on the load of it. So by the time you have 4 of those valves on there, you've got yourself a potential problem. So we've minimized those problems by just having one valve do the job of 2. Also in this design, we incorporated a purge inlet right into the valve, so you don't need any other additional brackets to incorporate the purge feature. This port can also be used as a second stage for this valve. In this configuration, it's a single stage system that can put up to 700 horsepower. That port feature is also on the fuel for those who want to add a gauge or actually purge the fuel as well. So the billet solenoid brackets is totally unique as well. It allows you to mount the valve from the corner ear of the carburetor, and you can see you can also mount this upside down to get it clear of all the linkage of the carburetor, and you can envision how much cleaner this system is over a typical plate system. So the heart of this is the money shot valve here, which I'm going to be able to demonstrate a little bit more clearly. These also introduce the O-ring boss feature on the valve, which is very nice. Typically you'd have a number 6 inlet to accommodate the larger horsepowers and number 4 outlets. However, many will use this in lower horsepower applications with a number 4 inlet and 3 outlets. It's just a simple fitting change that comes included in the kit. Also, the clocking feature of this solenoid billet solenoid bracket makes it very easy to install this part in any configuration you want. So now we're going to demonstrate this to you and show you how easy this operates. And then you'll in this demonstration you'll also get to check out the distribution spray of these 192 holes in the spray bar. You can see the solenoid valves incorporate an instant on and instant off feature, so it really makes it a very, very dependable system. So it can handle up to 1250 psi of nitrous. Not that we'd recommend those pressures that high, but for those that are staging and have a spike in their bottle pressure, typically as a disaster on the line, we've addressed those issues by giving this valve a lot more threshold for operation. So we feel like we've really accomplished a great deal with this system, and that we've eliminated a lot of the nagging issues that have plagued the the plate industry for as long as I can remember.